Hi everyone! Today I'm introducing something really cool, a mini smart factory. Have you ever wondered how real factories make, check, package, and store products automatically? This is the Wlkata Engraved Souvenirs manufacturing line, a small but powerful industry learning system for STEM, CTE, robotics, and automation classes. It brings together robotic arms, OpenCV AI vision, laser engraving, packaging, conveyors, sensors, and smart warehouse storage, all working as one complete production line. Here's how it works. First, the system loads the material. Then, it laser engraves a custom souvenir. Next, AI Vision checks the product for defects. If there is a bad part, it can be removed. After that, the product is packaged and sorted into smart storage. It feels just like running a real factory in the classroom. The best part is, the system is already pre-programmed, so students can easily start the full production line using the touchscreen controller. The smart storage for the boxes uses sensors to detect whether each space is empty or occupied, so the robot always knows where to place items automatically. But what if we want to go further? We can customize the system with graphical programming, Python coding, or PLC ladder logic. Schools can choose an industrial PC controller or a Siemens PLC controller, so students can learn real industrial automation skills. We can create bookmarks, nameplates, chess pieces, seals, and more, while learning robotics, AI vision, laser manufacturing, PLC control, and smart factory automation. It's not just a machine, it's a real smart manufacturing experience for students. I think this is super cool. You can learn more at Wlkata.com. Finally, let's focus in and watch this mini production line come to life.